Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Edith Noble video. In this week's video, this is my first one on vacation, and I'm really excited because my family is going to be in South Carolina for 4 weeks, so I think almost exactly a month, and we're really excited. We're just going to explore the area, and we've never really been down south, so we're just having a southern vacation. This is a really cool beach house, and it's really like eclectic, and it's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a loft, and it's very nice, and there's a lot of interesting stuff, so I figured I would show you guys. So first we have this really cool front door. It has a lot of interesting tiles and a really cool handle as well. The living room, and there's lots of places to sit, and at the staircase there's also a lot of books, which none of them are ours, but they seem to like reading. And then you go through, and there's the dining room table. This is basically the dining room. And a nice glass table with lovely views. There's lots of glass, which is really, really nice to see the tide go in and out, and lots of birds. And then you go into the kitchen, and there's a little desk here that we've done a lot of, some of us have done some work at. And it's a nice desk there. And then the kitchen, which is really interesting because it has the same tile as the door, so it all kind of fits together. And there's a lot of storage space. And then once you're in the kitchen, then you can go through. So you can go through this hallway. There's a mirror right here, and we'll get to this spiral staircase in a second. You can go through this hallway. There's a lot of interesting postcard paintings that you'll see later, but there's a turtle. I think it's a loggerhead turtle. Then in here is where my grandma and I are sleeping, and it's a very spacious room, very nice, and long windows, which I like in the morning because the sun comes in and it's really nice. And then you have two different desk options, and then the bathroom in here, which isn't really that interesting except for its number of mirrors. It has a lot of mirrors. So there's one on the door, so when you shut it, it's like you can see so many different angles of yourself. And there's the toilet and then the shower, but that's not really very interesting. And then there's also the closets, but I'm using this one, which also has some of their stuff, but I just have some of my stuff too. And then once you go through the hallway, there's the boys' bathroom, which I'll show you what Rue's doing. Seems to be experimenting with his hair. So, do you like this time?
I don't know.
Let us know in the comments whether he should wear this in public. So this is their bathroom, shower, toilet. You get there. And then in here is the boys' bedroom. They have their closets where they're keeping their stuff, and then the desk and their bed. Not much to say about that, but all around there are these postcards, which I'm not sure who the people are, but they painted postcards to each other, or maybe one just painted the postcard to the other. But they're really pretty, and they're framed everywhere, which is really nice. But over in this corner is a bunch of religious paintings, which is interesting because it's just like a little religious corner, it seems. So, it's interesting. And then that is where Abe and Rue are sleeping. And then if you go up the spiral staircase, there is a loft, which you can sleep in, but nobody really does right now. I'm thinking of trying out sleeping up here. It might be interesting. But there's a desk with a very nice view of the living room. And then there's also a bed. and also some storage space. And then if you go up this spiral staircase, it's just one big staircase. If you go up this one, there is a little, what's it called, door that opens up onto like a sunroof kind of thing. You come up, there's a lovely area that I bet you could put chairs and a table up here if you wanted. There's a great view of the marsh and the trees, which we came up here at sunset the other day. It was really, really pretty. And then if you go back down the stairs, I'll show you the big snow. Okay, so we're back at the door. And then from the door, the living room is over to the left, but you can also go down the stairs, which lead to the master suite, I guess you could call it, where my parents are staying. And to the left, you have like the coat room, I think you call it, with like the washer and dryer, and a little desk, and cabinet, and some storage. Then also to the left, you have the bathroom, which is really nice. A lot of stone and actually a very nice view from the toilet. And a large tub. And then finally you have the master bedroom, which is very nice. It has a lovely view and a nice big bed. And there's a lot of cool furniture and things hanging on the wall. Alright, and then if you go back out this hall, you can see the garage. There's a golf cart, which you'll probably see in other upcoming videos, but there's a golf cart that we've ridden a lot, and then we can pull our car in here, and I think there's some storage as well. So it's a nice size garage. Okay, we're back at the door, the front door where we started, which actually isn't at the front, but we're back where we started, and then there's a circle around deck, which is really pretty. It has a lot of great views. A lot of vines as well. And from here you can see a lot of birds and different animals throughout the day. And then these, this is actually a door to go back into the living room. And yeah, if you circle around, there's a lot of nice views. It's a great place to take pictures and bird watch. And then this door also leads to the kitchen. I didn't know this was there. This is apparently the air conditioning or something. But it's just a wraparound deck. So then this leads to the front of the house, which also has vines. And this is the bedroom window from the bedroom that I'm sleeping in. And then here you have the stairs to lead up. And then back here we have the door again. So it's just a wraparound deck, which is really nice. And it has a lot of great views and places to take pictures. So that is all of the house. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought it was a really cool house and it had a lot of interesting things. The people who own it must have traveled to lots of different places to get all the stuff that's in it. So I hope you love this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you would like. And there will be lots of vlogs and videos coming up in this house. So stay tuned for those and I will see you next time. Bye.